Do you want to improve the insulation of your windows? Then plexiglass secondary glazing is the ideal solution. In this video, we show you how to tackle the installation of secondary glazing with glazing clips. You will need the following items to do the job: secondary glazing, glazing clips, insulation tape, duct tape, scissors, screwdriver with Phillips bit, pencil, ruler or tape measure, anti-static cloth and anti-static cleaner, long wooden slat and G-clamps. Do you need help in determining the correct dimensions of the required secondary glazing? Then click on the link in the description to download the measuring instructions. Once you have assembled everything you need, the installation can begin. Take the secondary glazing and remove the protective film on one side. Then clean the edges of the sheet with an anti-static cloth and anti-static cleaner. The insulation tape is applied to these edges. Lay a slat of wood along the edge and clamp it with, for example, a G-clamp. This will make sticking a lot easier. Note, the insulation tape sticks instantly, making it difficult to remove and re-stick. After cutting the tape off, press it down firmly. Make sure that the insulation tape in the corners fits tightly together so that no drafts can get through. Could your frame get damp on the inside? Then consider creating ventilation. You do that by leaving out 2 centimeters at the bottom left and right. To mount the secondary glazing on the frame, mark off the correct positions. Draw a line at the top on the left and right, 2 centimeters from the edge. Do the same on the left and right sides. Apply duct tape to the top of the secondary glazing to temporarily fix the secondary glazing. Then place the secondary glazing on the marked position on the frame. Now apply a piece of duct tape at the bottom as well to fix the window securely. Next, you mark the position where the glazing clips should go. You do this 5 centimeters from the corners. In doing so, keep a distance of 6 millimeters from the edge. After marking off the glazing clips at the corners, distribute the remaining glazing clips spaced equally apart. Keep a distance of 30 to 40 centimeters between the clips. Take the glazing clips and first remove the protective film from the glazing clips. Then assemble the glazing clips. Once the glazing clips are complete, you can start applying them. Place the spacer against the sheet at the marked position so that it is clamped in place. The glazing clips should be able to keep turning, so don't screw them too tight. When all the glazing clips have been secured, the duct tape can be removed. Open all glazing clips and remove the secondary glazing. Now you can remove the protective film from the other side of the sheet, and you can clean the secondary glazing well with an anti-static cloth and anti-static cleaner. Never use glass cleaner, as this can make the secondary glazing dull. When the secondary glazing is clean, you can place it back. Tighten the glazing clips again so that the window is fixed. And you're done. In the description, you will find a link to our handy step-by-step guide, the measuring instructions, and all the necessary products.